Hello friends, this is Monica and I am going to tell you the e-commerce platform giving big offer under 20,000 on the phone. These phones are the best gaming phones and best camera phones, and I will tell you after my personal experience. So stick with me till the end. So best cheap cell phone with best camera under 20,000 in India, September 2019. These are the best gaming phone and best camera phone. These are Moto E6s, realme 5 Pro and Nokia 7.2. These are the good camera phones and mid-range gaming phones and best quality in India. First is Motorola E6s. Users can take advantage of many offers in Moto E6s. It has a waterproof notch screen and dual rear camera configuration. Moto E6s was launched in India. The Moto E6s is a unique variant launched by company with 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB in India. The price of which is 7,999. This phone will be available for sale on Flipkart starting at 12,999 today. Speaking of the offers on the device, you can also buy it with no cost EMI. Apart from this, a special discount of 2,000 will also be available on it. Apart from the Geo cashback of 2,200 with the Moto E6s will also be available in the mobile offers. Moto E6s has a 6.1-inch IPS HD plus Max Vision screen, which has 720 plus 1560 screen resolution. The phone has a 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory that can be expanded up to 512 GB with the help of the micro SD card. This phone has a dual rear camera configuration for photography, and which has primary sensor of 13 megapixel and depth sensor of 2 megapixel. In addition, the LED flash is also available, and the selfie camera is 8 megapixel. And second is Realme 5 Pro. Realme 5 Pro is available in 3 storage variant with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB with the price of 13,999, while the 6 GB plus 64 GB variant is priced at 14,999. Along with this, the phone can be purchased at Flipkart with the EMI option at no cost, after which users can use the phone by paying only 500 EMI each month. The configuration of quad camera has been given on the phone, in which the main 48MP camera is an ultra-wide 8MP trigger, 2MP micro lens and 2MP depth sensor, and at the same time 16MP front camera for the selfie has been given. This battery has a 4035 mAh battery. And the last is Nokia 7.2 with the 48 megapixel camera with the offer. The Nokia 7.2 smartphone was launched in India with an entire price of 18,509, highest megapixel camera phone, and will be available for sale on Flipkart. The Nokia 7.2 specification has a 6.3 inches Full HD plus LCD screen, which is with Gorilla Glass, and the battery has 3,500 mAh battery with a 10W charger for power bank. For photography, it has 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultraviolet camera, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. This phone is capable of recording 4K video. The phone has a 20 megapixel front camera for selfie. If you want detailed information about the big offer under 20,000 on best gaming phone, so here I have written on my blog in detail what is specification, what is quality, what is camera, what is display, everything. So you can visit Review Mobile Point, www.reviewmobilepoint.com. Here you will get everything in detail.